Today we are looking at a keychain knife from NexTool. If you don't know NexTool, they make some really cool multi-tool options, and I just came across this guy on Amazon for $15 and had to give it a try. Now, it may look familiar because it is a very close competitor in my mind to the Victorinox Classic SD. I've got that here in the standard Celador scales as well as the alox scales, and interestingly, this knife falls right in between those two as far as thickness goes. I'm going to ignore the rivets here. We're looking at 6.77 millimeters. The standard plastic scale Classic is 8.66, and the Victorinox Alox is 5.67. So right in the middle, pretty much. It is a really nice form factor for keychain carry, things like that. And coming in at $15, it's less than half the price of the alox version of the Victorinox Classic. Now, does it hold up compared to that knife? I think so in a lot of ways. However, it isn't as slim, and that does take a little bit away from it. When I received the Victorinox knife, the alox knife, I thought the package came empty because of how light and slim this is. Our aluminum scaled NexTool is not as slim, not as light, so it doesn't quite match up, but for half the price, it might be worth considering. In particular, if you like the Victorinox scissors. Let's go ahead and do a test. Let's give the benchmark, because who are we kidding? This is going to be directly compared to the Victorinox Classic SD. With the Classic SD, easy cut through paracord. If we go to the NexTool, we are going to have also an easy time cutting through paracord. So very comparably capable scissors. You'll also notice that these have a full spring in here versus the little wire spring in the Victorinox models. That's going to make it probably a little bit more robust, probably, but also less replaceable. These Victorinox springs can be replaced without taking the tool apart. You're not going to get that on the NexTool, I don't believe. Obviously, I neglected to mention aluminum frames, riveted construction, very similar to what you'd expect out of an alox Swiss Army knife. Little NexTool branding, but kind of a minimalist aesthetic. Available in green, red, and black anodized aluminum as well. And yeah, one last feature that I think some of you may love, particularly those who have complained about the blade orientation on the Victorinox knives. You'll see here that the blade on the Classic SD opens towards the keyring, which, if you have a bunch of keys on, we'll use this larger Victorinox to demo this. If you have a bunch of keys on there, that can get a little difficult to cut with the blade facing the keyring. You are not going to have that problem with the NexTool, where the blade faces away from the keyring. So one benefit that some people are definitely going to like. Otherwise, very, very similar. We've got the pen blades we just saw. We've got the scissors that we saw earlier, and we've got a nail file with screwdriver here as well. Let me get that centered in frame like someone who does this professionally. You've got kind of an inlaid nail file here. There's a cutout with a board that's laid in place. Very aggressive file, but should be good for nails, has been in my limited testing. And that is the NexTool keychain knife. We'll link it below. There's no other name for it as far as I can tell. They're just calling it the NexTool keychain knife 5-in-1, if I'm not mistaken. So check that out. If you're looking for a budget-friendly stash anywhere, tiny little knife that doesn't run quite as much as the Victorinox alox version does. We will catch you guys in the next video. We're going to go back to our live stream, which is every Wednesday morning, by the way, right now.